In this next accessory highlight video, we're going to be going over the Seametrics Freeze Protection Kit. I'm going to be installing the Freeze Protection Kit on a PT2X. The kit does come with a manual, outer foam shield, inner foam plug, a zip tie. You're going to first remove these anti-stick strips and make sure that you take the seam, make sure it goes uniform across the body of the outer foam. I'm going to remove the nose cone on my sensor. I'm going to put the foam plug piece in there. We don't want this pushing against the sensor. We just want it in the plug area. And twist lock that back into place. Take the outer foam shield and put it around the sensor. Next, I'm going to zip tie around the body of the sensor. Trim my zip tie once it's nice and tight, and I'm installed. This kit works by allowing the sensor to extend its field serviceability and season by allowing it to have gentle freezing around here and not compressing. If water should get in here and freeze, it will allow the foam piece to displace just enough water so when it freezes it does not deform the sensor. Keep in mind, this is not a guarantee that freezing won't damage your sensor. It's just there to extend the service life and the season for the sensor into light freezing conditions. If you have any questions or require additional information, please call or email Seametrics. Thank you.